Okay, so this time we're gonna have Pisces for our third video about our zodiac for the month of May. And kung hindi pa kayo guys nakakapanood ng ating ibang zodiacs, right now we have Capricorn. Currently we have Capricorn and Leo. So we're gonna have Pisces right now. And kung ano yung zodiac mo, i-comment mo dyan sa baba kasi we're gonna have it read kung ano ba yung mga energy natin for May. So we'll start with Pisces. Ready na ba kayo? Ayan, parang private reading na to for zodiac. So kung di ka pa nakapag-subscribe, mag-subscribe ka na dyan sa channel natin. Ayan, nag-ring yung alarm natin. Wait lang. Okay. Walang edit to guys. Raw video lang to. Oh, Pisces! Ready ka na ba? Sobrang hardworking mo. Grabe yung hard work na nakita ko dito. And meron kang isang bagay, you have this one thing that you plan for a long time that will finally happen this May. What is it? Very consistent ka sa ginagawa mong to, and because of that consistency, makukuha mo na siya. Makukuha mo na yung gusto mong mangyari or mangyayari na yung gusto mong mangyari, and something new will happen. So kung ano yung mangyayari na yan, it will really change your life. It will really change your life. But ano rin make sure rin na mag-pause ka kasi sobrang sobrang pagod, sobrang hardworking mo, and parang feeling mo ikaw si Superman. So take time out and pause, okay? Kasi darating siya. Kumbaga hindi mo kailangan i-stress yung sarili mo na okay, kailangan kong magsipag sobra-sobra para maabot ko to kasi paparating na siya. Kumbaga, whatever you do now it's going to come out kasi because of your consistency in the past. Hindi siya dahil ngayon na sobrang grabe yung worry mo. So yung result na makukuha mo is because of what you did in the past. Parang last year or around early this year, January, February, ganon. So kung ano yung ginawa mo, makukuha mo na siya this May. Ayan, kasi nga sa sobrang hardworking mo, we have the Queen of Pentacles. Masyado ka nakafocus sa career dahil gusto mo ngang, kumita siguro, ganon, 'di ba, financially. But don't forget your family. Nawawalan ka ng time sa family mo eh. Kasi okay naman pagsabayin. Kumbaga, balance lang, like family and success. Kasi yun nga yung sabi ng card mo with the Four of Swords, na hindi mo kailangan na sobra-sobra ka talaga mag-focus dyan sa trabaho, ganon, or sa career, or sa business. Kasi okay naman siya. Pero syempre, i-check mo pa rin, di ba? Kasi nga, something good will happen na eh. Kumbaga, nandyan ka na. So, you just let things happen. Hindi mo na siya kailangang sobra-sobra pang pagtuunan ng pansin. And another opportunity again, we have the Four of Wands. Be ready for something new in your life that you work hard for. So, ito na nga siya, Pisces. So, ito na yung mangyayari sa'yo for this May. Oh my gosh, ito lang. You'll have celebration. So, lahat ng pinagpaguran mo is makukuha mo na. Pero sobrang nag-worry ka talaga. We have the Nine of Swords. So wala talaga magagawa yung worry mo. Kumbaga, don't worry na kasi andyan na yan eh. So it will happen na. So yun lang naman. Kasi yung worry mo na yan, parang pwedeng ikapahamak mo or yan yung maging dahilan kung bakit hindi mo makukuha yung gusto mong makuha for this May.